We know that there are only 12 tenses in English language. But I want to add one more. It is the future in the past. It has two different forms in English. Would and was going to. 1. How to use would. Woul plus verb. Examples. I knew you would play well. 2. How to use was going to. Was. Were. Going to plus. Verb. Examples. I knew you were going to go to the party. Use of the future in the past. Future in the past is used to express the idea that in the past you thought something would happen in the future. It does not matter if you are correct or not. Would is used to volunteer or promise, and was going to is used to plan. Moreover, both forms can be used to make predictions about the future. Examples. I told you he was going to come to the party. It is used to denote the plan. I knew Julie would make dinner. It is used for voluntary action. Jane said Sam was going to bring his sister with him, but he came alone. It is also used to show plan. I had a feeling that the vacation was going to be a disaster. It is used to show prediction. He promised he would send a postcard from Egypt. It is used to show promise. Remember, no future in time clauses. Future in the past cannot be used in clauses beginning with time expressions such as when, while, before, after, by the time, as soon as, if, unless, etc. Instead of using future in the past, you must use simple past. Examples. I already told Mark that when he would arrive, we would go out for dinner. It is not correct, because the would never come after the time clause. Correct one is that we should use simple past instead of would. I already told Mark that when he arrived, we would go out for dinner. It is correct.